When I need my caffeine, Black Rifle energy drink, made by Black Rifle Coffee Company. 200 milligrams of caffeine, derived from natural caffeine, green coffee, and coffee berry extract, which adds heritage without the coffee flavor. Zero sugar and only 10 carbs. It's a 5-vitamin blend. This company is veteran founded, so every time you purchase for them, you're supporting veterans. And I'm not one to drink energy drinks often, but when I do, it's the Black Rifle Coffee Company's energy drink. Time for me to get back to work. I dropped the link below for you.